I am Mansoor and I'm back with our new episode. Today we are at contactor manufacturing workshop of Tianjin. As you know, AC contactors are widely used in control automation, mainly for connecting and disconnecting the switches and also for frequent operation control of motor. Tianjin has 11 series of contactors including 1500 different kinds of products. So let us see some samples together. TEC5 is the best quality product made by Tianjin in the contactor series. As you can see, there is one in my hand. Then we have TGC1 series and never forgetting the classical series of CJX2. So the next step is let's go and see the manufacturing together. Come on. Tianjin Electric contactor manufacturing workshop covers an area of 5,400 square meters. It has also realized 75% of automatic assembly. TGC1 series of Tianjin Electric has also realized automatic testing. Tianjin Electric has 3 sets of automatic assembly lines, which are realizing automatic assembly, automatic testing, and pad printing of semi finished and finished products and ensuring the consistency of quality and delivery on time. So stay tuned because we're coming up with much more.